to my channel. I am so excited for this video. We are going to be decorating for Christmas. The time has come. This is something that I look forward to every single year. We did put up our tree last night, which comes in 3 parts, and it's pre-lit as well, which is really convenient. And we're going to be decorating it hopefully today or maybe tomorrow, depending on how the day goes. But I'm so excited just to have it up. And yeah, it's just one of my favorite times of the year. And now that I'm a mom, I get to create these beautiful traditions and moments and celebrations for our daughter as well, which is really special. But yeah, I thought we could kick off this vlog with a few of my favorite outfits that I've been wearing now. So the weather has started to get a lot colder. It is really chilly to the point where I'm not really wearing like my fall outfits. Now I'm wearing my full on coats and scarves and hats and things like that. So I thought I would share a few of my current favorite looks with you guys. Of course, this time of year, I think a lot of us resort to just wearing like a big puffy jacket, which yes, that's definitely me too, but sometimes it's nice to just still be like really warm and cozy, but a little chic. You know, that you feel a little bit like put together if you have like meetings, appointments, a date, meet up with friends. So hopefully this will be a good inspiration for you guys going into the colder months. I'm also going to try to film a reel out of these outfits for my Instagram. I've been posting a lot more on there lately. If you guys are not following me on there yet, definitely do. It's at AnnieJaffrey. I'll have the link for it down below in the description box. So with that said, let's get into the first look. Okay, so one of the first things that I find really important for winter outfits is good layering. I have on this long sleeve top today. This is a cotton top, but they also do thermal ones that are very heat insulating. I believe Uniqlo does some really good ones, especially great for like skiing and when you're gonna be really, really cold, but also just for good layering with everyday outfits if you live in a very cold climate. But I'm gonna put this beautiful cable knit sweater on top, just so nice for this kind of weather. And then another tip for winter outfits is to actually still tuck things in and give your clothes some shape, because of course if you just wear it like this, like it's still, you know, it's still nice, like it's still gonna keep you warm, but just tucking it in a little bit will give you back a little shape and form, and it still is like very warm but just looks a little bit more elevated. I'm gonna put my favorite coat on top, and for extra warmth, a hat. Okay, so this is the first look. So I'm wearing these wide leg jeans with this outfit, which I love. They're so much more comfortable than skinny jeans. I feel like they're just nice and modern, and of course so comfortable. I've got on my Puma sneakers with this look. I really like these, especially for colder weather when it's like raining or so, because the rims are beige, so they're not like fully white, but they're still kind of like a white sneaker, you know? Okay, this has been my next favorite. So it's an all tonal look. So of course I am wearing all black today, but by all tonal, I mean it can also be like all beige, all gray, but dressing in one color from head to toe, it just looks so chic. I shared an example of this in my last vlog where I wore an all beige look. I do find them so easy to put together because you just pick one color, choose a sweater in the same color, pants, of course your coat, and it's pretty much guaranteed to look nice. Okay, and this is the last look. So this is my way of making leggings a little bit more chic. Leggings are of course so comfortable to wear. You can also get thermal leggings that have this lining on the inside, kind of like a fleece lining that makes them super warm. But to elevate the look a little bit, I paired it with this beautiful cashmere sweater. This is from Lily Silk. I got this last year or the year before. I wear this so often. It's so comfortable, such great quality. Absolutely love it. But then underneath, I've paired it with my black blazer and then a black vest on top. So another really great way of utilizing layering. So once you get to your location, you can take off your vest and still have this really great blazer on underneath that kind of elevates the whole look. And I really like this by itself, just how it is, but of course it's very cold, so we need to dress up a little bit more, and that's why I love the vest for that. But here is the look just as is. I've paired it with my Ugg boots and some scrunchy socks, also very comfy, but again, I feel like the blazer really does dress it up. Really great jewelry. That is such an essential part of any outfit, especially if you like to wear more simple and minimal, like chic outfits. I feel like jewelry is a place where you can really play up and elevate your look. You guys know I love layering gold necklaces like this and gold hoops and little statement earrings. I feel like they just add so much style and elevation to an outfit, and all of these pieces are from Missoma. They are so stunning. I've been a fan of Missoma for about 6 years now. I have pieces from them from literally 6 years ago when I started buying with them that are still in perfect condition. I love the quality. Everything is made with 100% recycled 18 karat gold and sterling silver, so they last really long. They're not going to tarnish or change color, so it's something that you can rely on, that you can have for many years. These are my newest earrings from them. They are two-toned. I mentioned them in my last video, and now they're actually on sale. You can get these for 20% off. So they're officially in Cyber Week right now, which means the discounts that you can get are huge. So it's split into 40% off, 30% off, and 20% off. So these are 20% off. And then this beautiful necklace with these little diamonds, this is actually 40% off right now. This is such a classic, so great for layering, and I love the little sparkle. And then this snake chain necklace, this is one I've been a fan of for years, and this is 40% off right now. And then this heart charm pendant necklace is 20% off. I also want to show you another one of my favorite earrings from them, and they are so beautiful and classic. And what I love about Missoma as well is that their jewelry is so comfortable. So even though these are a little bit like oversized and chunky, they are so lightweight. I wore these pretty much the entire day and I did not feel annoyed with my jewelry. And that is so important because of course you can have beautiful designs and iconic pieces, but if they're uncomfortable or they get in the way of how you feel, like it's not worth it for me. So that's why I love their earrings, especially. Like these ones are so lightweight, again, a little bit more on the chunky side, but they feel really great in your ears. So definitely check out their Cyber Week sale. You can get some incredible pieces right now that are highly discounted. I think these are a great gift idea as well, especially some of the classic earrings. I feel like you cannot go wrong with those, and some of the necklaces are just stunning, like so classic, timeless. The quality is amazing, and they're at a relatively affordable price point if you really look at the quality versus some of the other necklaces that you can get that will tarnish and change color. Like these will remain in really great shape. They are super shiny. You can just feel the quality in the pieces. Again, I would highly recommend checking out these items, especially the earrings. These two-toned earrings are so gorgeous. The necklaces, I'll make sure to have all of my favorites linked for you down below. You can also search my name, AnnieJaffrey, in Missoma, and you can find all of my favorites in one place. So I'll also make sure to have that linked for you down below.
When it's Christmas time, I light up a fire, gather friends and family, have a bite to eat and some Christmas sweets, chilling out and watch TV, wrapping up the gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. Just got something fun for my special one, but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young, I hear sleigh bells in the snow. Holding on to a bunch of reindeer, he'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year. When the Christmas spirit's all over town, I'm not one of them, the three wisest men, but I got an open heart. If If you feel alone, just stop by my home. I don't care about who you are.
And to top the tree with the star. Yeah.
Now we like this.
Yay, Nalia. Woohoo!
Good job!
Beautiful! Wow! Okay, it's a little bit later. Nalia is now asleep, and I thought I would show you the tree a little bit more up close. This was actually the first year that we all decorated the tree together, which is so special. Do you guys see this pink donut ornament? Can you tell that Nalia is now in our life? Tell me you have a toddler daughter without telling me you have a toddler daughter. How cute is this? We went to look at decorations the other day, and when she saw this, you guys, she fell in love. And then she also picked this one out, which I actually really loved. And I think it goes pretty nice with the tree because it's like the red candy cane, which we already have a lot of red. And then of course, a pink ball. Some other fun little touches are kitchen tea towels. So these are the ones that I have out during the season. They're super beautiful and a nice way to add a touch of holiday, a bit of decoration to your kitchen. I believe these are from Zara Home. I will have them linked, or I'll have similar ones linked. And then we also saw this. How cute is this? This is a door hanger. We're gonna put this on our front door, a little snowman. Nalia is obsessed. And then also quickly wanted to mention this red blanket. We usually have a neutral colored one, like a light gray, light beige one, but this is something else that I think is fun to play up during the holiday season, like a blanket, tea towels, items like this that are also functional within the space, but just switch things up a little bit. And it's a really easy and simple thing to do. Happy birthday to you.
Bum, bum,
Happy
bum.
birthday to you. It is Mo's birthday today. Mo is turning
36 years young.
36 years young. Good morning, guys. I'm about to do a little workout. I'm so looking forward to it. But I mentioned in my last video that Nalia has now started preschool. We're still in the settling in period, so she's just going for a few hours. She's not full-time yet, but still, it has been such a major change for everybody. Even if it's just a few hours, having that time like consistently every morning has been so huge, and I've been able to start implementing some new routines and new like healthy habits for myself, which are sometimes just very difficult to do with a little toddler. Obviously she is my priority, and then we have work stuff, and a lot of the times my workouts actually get pushed back, like way back. We actually haven't had any like real consistent help with Nalia since about August. It's been about 3 months, and we don't have any family that live here, and we were between babysitters, and it was just really inconsistent for a while. And when we actually did have time, that was like go time for work. We've had so much going on lately with the brand, which has been so exciting, but it's been very like time consuming. We've got the fundraise going on right now, which is still open till the end of December. We've got our new serum launching in just a few weeks. We've been working so much on that. And then of course Black Friday is happening right now, where you can get 30% off site-wide, no code needed. The lead up of all these things takes so much time in creating emails and marketing and just all the organization and communication around all of these things. And then just of course like the everyday sort of operations of running a business. So let's just say I've really been on the struggle bus when it comes to my workouts the last few months, and I'm so excited to get back into it and just have that like physical time and mental space also to dedicate to it and get into like a really good routine again. So now when I know that I have this consistent time, even though it's not a huge amount of time, at least I know it's consistent and I can work with it and I can do the best that I can with this time that I have. So my goal is 2 to 3 workouts a week, 1 to 2 strength sessions, and or 1 to 2 Pilates. So at least 1 strength and at least 1 Pilates, and then if I can get in another workout on top would be amazing. I'm just getting back into it, so I'm gonna do some Pilates with weights around my ankles, but I love strength training as well. I've been doing that for over 10 years. It's so important to build muscle as well. But then I love Pilates for form and posture and for your core. I think doing a combination of both is really just the best of both worlds. So I'm gonna get into my Pilates right now. I'm gonna do a Melissa Wood Health session. Hi guys, it is now a lot later. The day just flew by, but it was a very productive day. I got so many things done, and as I was filming this morning, I was inspired to do a full morning routine. So that is probably the video that I'm gonna film next, now that my mornings are so different. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm currently looking at the Christmas tree, which is just right here, and it's so beautiful. It makes my heart so happy. I just love this time of year, and it's so fun to see Nalia so excited about the decorations as well, and her little random ornaments on there. So cute. And as always, I'll try to have as many things linked for you down below as I can, including the tree. Hopefully it's still available. I did get it like probably 5 years ago now, but it's so good, from Balsam Hill. Would highly recommend. I'll have it linked down below. And the outfits, the jewelry from Missoma, definitely check out their Black Friday sale, which is live right now. Again, I'll have the page with all of my favorites linked for you down below. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, for being here. I love you all so much. I hope that you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.